love food. Like, I went to culinary school because I love food.
Take a moment to decide how you wanna live your life. But baby, take your time. Yeah.
You always play the best music.
I always avoid foods, whether pregnant or not pregnant, like processed foods, foods with MSG, food colorings, preservatives. I always eat whole foods.
Anytime we're downtown, we always come to this restaurant. It's called Sage & Co. It's really cool. They have organic flatbread that they make with buckwheat flour, and they put kale and halloumi cheese. It's Lebanese, I believe.
I eat good sources of protein, so pasture-raised beef, pasture-raised chicken. I also eat vegetables and fruits. Very minimal dairy, and if I do, it's grass-fed. Lots of healthy fats, so coconut oil, ghee, olive oil.
When we're out eating, we like to find like fresh whole foods, like refined sugar-free, gluten-free. Do you guys eat out much? Sushi. We eat out quite a bit when we're out and about.
So good.